Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another crazy day here on BB. I mean, volume had already been really big, but then volume today just went to whole other levels, as you can see right there. So more of the story, a lot of eyeballs going to continue to be watching this one moving forward. And now we have a couple of very in-your-face levels that a lot of people will be watching. And when a lot of people are watching these levels, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. From a trading standpoint, they can certainly produce some very dynamic movements. And the first level here that a lot of people are going to be watching, and again, rightfully so, because it makes perfect sense, but it is this area right here around $16. You can see that there is quite the track record mid-afternoon where the price hovering right around 16, and to give credit where credit's due, the price did a fantastic job of holding strong and even, created a little bit of a bounce to the upside. But my point here going forward is not that guarantees exist, but it is at least a rational and reasonable thought to have that if the price were to come down to 16, behave in that manner, and then break to the downside, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of downward selling pressure. Once more, not saying that's guaranteed to happen, but if it were to occur, that's a more than reasonable thought to have, because again, you're going to have a whole lot of people watching that $16 mark. Now, on the flip side of things, same exact logic, just flipped around. You're going to have every single breakout player and their brother's uncle watching this 1975 area. You can see up here that is where the price really struggled. When the price did actually get above it, you can see it made a very fast move all the way up there. But the point here being, nothing guaranteed, but more than reasonable, more than rational to think that, well, if the price continue to work its way upwards and then get the break of 1975, that break very well could create a whole lot of upwards buying pressure and probably get those shorts to cover that much more for the shorts that are actually left in this thing. But, that is going to be one of those areas that, again, a whole lot of people will be watching. So moving forward, those, at least in my opinion, those are the two main levels that a lot of traders out there will be watching. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.